Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are making, you're supposed to say hi, good boy. So today, we are playing, I sound so different when I'm recording. Anyway, so we are playing camping. I told you there would be a series, so yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, now what? I think we're just chilling. I got some Lego bricks. Yes, queen. Mining. Oh my gosh. Okay. We've been sitting here for literally like 10 hours and literally nothing has happened. Oh, where'd he go? Did he leave? Oh, excuse me. Kind of. R.I.P. Sitting relax and tell stories about the campfire. I forgot where we run. Where do we run? I forgot. I'm staying here. Yeah. We're staying here. We're scared. What does the letter say? Oh god. Oh gosh. Oh no. 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 Where are we running? Where are we running? I don't know where we're running. Where do we run? Like, bro. Oh, here's the cave. Aha. I am superior. Same. To spoil it. No. If he spoils it. Oh no, one of the tents collapsed. Yay. No, there's a dead deer, whatever that is. Park Ranger Daniel. We believe a deer had been killing off deer populations in the campgrounds. It's become growing population, blah, blah, blah. We plan to have all of these bar traps set up by nightfall. Be careful for them. You'll be safe and stay within the designated camping area. Okay, we got the normal guy. We got Vault Ahoy. Yes, queen. And you know what? I'm going out. Wish me luck. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. I'm pretty sure like the monster comes out of the... Where's the thingamajigger? Where's the campsite? Where's the thingamajigger? Nope, I'm going back. Nope. No. I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the campsite. Oh no, we're mostly stranded here. Y'all, I'm not going. No, I'm gonna die straight out. We're 2, 1. We're gonna juke him. I'm gonna juke him. 1. He's gonna sacrifice himself. Go! Go! No!